Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this drop dead gorgeous makeup look. It's something a little bit more grungy, a little bit more out there. It's definitely fit for Halloween, but to be honest, I would probably wear this anyway. I mean, I'm like that. I would definitely wear this out just in general. But yeah, like if you want to know how to get this crazy drop dead gorgeous eye look, then just keep on watching. But before you do, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and enjoy the video. So I've already done my brows and I've applied down a base. It's just a Maybelline foundation, just buffing it out. And sorry if you get annoyed by this mirror, but it's the only way I can really do my makeup. Otherwise I'll be looking in the viewfinder and it's too damn far away from me. Let's get started. So I've got this Z palette and I'm going to be using the shade, it's a Makeup Geek one. It's just a black eyeshadow, but I know some of you guys love to know what I'm using. So it's a Makeup Geek and it's in Corrupt. And it's just your standard black shadow. Actually, tell a lie, it's not just your standard black shadow because, oh, I'm out of focus. There we go. It's really black. Like, I love it. So I'm taking that on a really small detailed brush and looks like this. And I'm going to apply that quite high up and really buff that in. Just building up loads and loads and loads of product. Then I'm going to take my Lottie London Shadow Swatch palette and I'm taking this gorgeous neon pink shade, which is this one here. So bright and pigmented, as you can see. Don't underestimate drugstore brands, because they will, do you know what I mean, they're coming through. Like, if you don't follow me on Instagram then you probably won't know, but I've actually done a really big haul on Lottie London products. So if you're interested in seeing what Lottie London has out, then go on my Instagram. It's at xsabrinanicoe and it's in my haul section on my highlights on my page, so you can see me doing a full makeup look there using everything like London. I think I brought the black up a bit too high, but it's fine, we'll sort it out. I'm now just going to cut my crease and I'm using the brush that you get in with the Lottie London palette. I think I've saved it slightly. So I'm just going to pat that in to set. No additional product. Okay, cool. Going back in with the Makeup Geek Black in Corrupt. I'm going to feather this edge back in, leaving that little line. Then I'm taking the bright pink, the same bright pink from the Lottie London Rainbow palette, and I'm pressing that in to where they're joining. And just leaving a little gap at the top, like that. Then I'm going to take the colour Ice Queen by Makeup Geek, and this is what it looks like. It's just like a shimmery white, and I'm going to take that on a MAC, don't know the name because it's rubbed off. I'm just going to take that on like a flat brush. Then we can just go back in with no additional product. Oh my god, I thought I wasn't filming then. I was going to say, oh my god, and then I'm just blending that pink back over. So, to my favourite part, going back in with the Lottie London brush from the Rainbows palette. I literally love this brush. Like, It's amazing. I'm going to be taking the, like, I love this product so much. See that glitter right there? Yeah, I'm going to show you that because it is amazing. So these are the Lottie London Eye Foil. I always struggle to say that and I don't know why. The Eye Foil Metallic Eyeshadow Toppers. And this is in the shade Denied. As you can see, just every girl's dream. Like, that is just insane. And it comes on like a little applicator. I apply it on the back of my hand and use the brush from the palette to apply. But just because it's a bit more precise, but definitely if you're doing like an all over lid colour, then use the applicator you get with it. So onto my brush, I'm going to start patting that in along the lines of our cut crease. And this brush is so good from the Lottie London palette because it's so flat and precise. It has a really nice tip to it, so you can get up close. It just makes it so much easier. Masking tape. So for the under part, I'm just taking a bit of that same foundation. So it creates like a base. And I'm putting that in. Then I'm taking the neon pink. And I'm really fluffing that underneath. Then I'm taking the same black, the Makeup Geek one, and apply the Olivia Bow 08 white liner into my waterline. I guess you could call this a series of, I don't know, the start of the Halloween looks, because that's the way it looks. Right, let's zoom out and go on to skin. So, where do I even start, to be honest? Let's glue my lashes. Oh, I've got pins and needles in my leg. Ow! Okay, lashes glued, drying. Let me wipe my hand before I make a mess. Let's do the bottom lash line using Maybelline Great Lash Mini Mascara. This is like perfect for your under eyes. Foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline 24 Hour in 10 Ivory. And I'm going to buff that into my skin. I'm then going to take Decay Naked Skin in Fair Neutral. And I'm also going to mix that with Revolution Conceal and Define in the white one to make it extra bright. And then just buff it up to the eye area. I'm not going to lie, as I'm going along, I'm actually thinking, to be honest, I think I would wear my makeup like this anyway. So the camera stopped filming. I don't know at what point, but I'm using the Anastasia Jabber Bronzer. Just like that. And I was... Okay. Let me just go pop on some lipstick because my battery on my camera is dying. So I think if I charge it now, then I can just talk you through what I did in the camera is charged. It's on 32%. I think we're going to be fine. So I added the Perversion Vice lipstick by Urban Decay. It's just a black lipstick. If you see my desk right now, you would feel so disorientated because everything is everywhere. And what I actually did add on top of my lips was this Barry M. It's just called a Barry M topper, and it's in the shade Supernova. I'm just gonna dab a bit. Kind of gives it like this green, blue, like spacey feel. I think it suits the look so much. And these are the finished eyes. So yeah, if you're wanting to go a little bit pretty but a little bit dangerous on Halloween, then I think that this look will be right up your street. It's definitely something different. I really hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you're going to reuse this for Halloween, because I definitely want to see it, so tag me. And thank you so much for watching. Give the video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.